Welcome dear students. In this lecture, we'll show how to find the particular integral of a differential equation when the right hand side is of the form e to the power ax into v, where v is any function of x. So there is an exponential function and there is any function of x. Okay, so in this case the theorem is that 1 by f of d e to the power ax into v, as you see from your earlier lecture, e to the power ax come out before 1 by f of d and d will be replaced by d plus a. Okay, and these things operate on v, where v is any function of x. Okay, now we'll see how we can use these things. Okay, so basically d square minus twice d plus 1 y equal to x square e to the power x. So e to the power ax is our exponential function and x square is our algebraic function, right? So auxiliary equation is c1 plus so solution is like d equal to 1 and 1, as you know. So the same root, so c1 plus c2x e to the power x, right? Where c1 c2 being arbitrary constants, and the particular integral is that 1 by d square minus twice d plus 1 operates on x square e to the power ax. So e to the power 3x come out, e to the power 3x. So this is basically d minus 1 whole square. Okay, operates on x square e to the power 3x. So e to the power 3x come out and d will be replaced by d plus 3. D will be replaced by d plus 3. Okay, so d plus 3 minus 1 whole square operate on x square, right? So this is like what? D plus 2 whole square. Okay, now we need to take 2 common. 2 means 2 will come out as a 4, right? And here is 1 plus d by 2 whole square. That means 1 plus d by 2 whole to the power minus 2 operates on x square. So this is what? X 1 plus x whole to the power minus 2. So 1 minus twice x plus 4x square, like this, na? Or you can use this formula 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial x square, like this way. Okay, so 1 minus d by 2 plus minus 2 n minus 1 minus 3 by 2 factorial d square by 4 plus dot dot dot, that is operate on x square, right? So 1 by 4 e to the power 3x is there. Now 1 into x square means 1, then d of x square means d of x square means uh, twice x, then d square of x square means, then again if differentiation of d twice x, that is 2. So ultimately you get 3 by 4 into 2. So that is your particular integral. So your required solution is y equal to c1 plus c2x e to the power x plus 1 by 8 into e to the power 3x thrice x of 2x square minus 4x plus 3, right? So similarly you can solve this example 2. Now try to find the particular integral of this example 3. That means 1 by d minus 1 whole square operating on e to the power x square x 10x. Okay, so e to the power x come out and d will be replaced by d plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, so this 1 by d square on this. So that means if you take 1 by d first, then that means 2 times integration. So 1 time integration means 10x x square x dx. So 10x derivative is there, so x dx basically, right? Means x square by 2. So x is 10x, so 10 square by x by 2. Then again we need to integrate, right? Integration of 10 square x. So 10 square x, how you integrate it? You just change 10 square x as x square x minus 1 and now integrate. So x square x integration is 10x, right? And integration of dx is x, so 10x minus x. Okay, so this is your particular integral, right? Okay, so again solve this particular integral 1 by d minus a whole square of e to the power ax f dash x. So e to the power ax come out and d will be replaced by d plus a. So plus a minus a cancel out, 1 by d square, okay, f dash x. So 1 by d square 2 times integration. So when we did do one time integration, that is integration of f dash x means derivative integration is opposite to each other. So this is f of x, then integration of f of x dx. So required solution is this. Okay, now example 5, solve d3 minus 3d minus 2 of y equal to 540 x cube e to the power minus x, right? Now first you find the auxiliary equation, solution of auxiliary equation, that is 2 minus 1 minus 1. So for 2 you can write c1 e to the power twice x. For both the equal roots you write c2 plus c3 x e to the power minus x, where c1 c2 c3 being arbitrary constants, right? Now particular integral is what? 540 x cube e to the power minus x. So e to the power minus x come out, d will be replaced by d minus 1 whole cube minus 3 of d minus 1 minus 2, right? After calculation what we get? D cube minus 3d square operating on x cube, right? So you just take common minus 3d square, then this is like 1 minus d by 3, right? 1 minus d by 3. So the 1 minus d by 3 means 1 minus d by 3 whole to the power minus 1. Okay, here is 1 by d square. So 1 minus x whole to the power minus 1 means 1 plus x square by 2, like this, x square by 2. So this is like this. So that means when d of x cube means 3x square, right? d of d of x cube means 3x square, d square means 6x, like this way. Then 1 by d square, so you can check it. 1 by d means 2 times integration again, so do 2 times integration. So you just simply calculate it. Okay, you have to clear the concept, then easily you can calculate it. Okay, see here, e to the power twice x sine x, right? So e to the power twice x come out, d replaced by d plus 2, so this is basically d square plus 7d plus 12. So now as you note, d square replaced by minus s square means minus 1 square plus 7d plus 12, that is 11d, 11 plus 7d. Now we have to make it function of d square, then a plus x, a minus x, right? So 11 minus 7 you just multiply. Okay, next d square replaced by minus s square. Okay, this, so e to the power twice x by 170, and here is 11 minus 7d operate on sin x. So 11 sin x minus 7 d of sin x means cos x, right? D of sin x means cos x, that is your general particular integral. So you get the required solution. Okay, so similarly same as the example 7, and example 8 is also same. Okay, so I think you don't face any problem here. You need to what? Cos hyperbolic x, right? So cos hyperbolic x, you just transform it, as you know from first lecture. Cos hyperbolic x means 1 by 2 e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Now you convert into two functions, e to the power x cos x and e to the power minus x cos x. Okay, then for e to the power x cos x, you just replace e to the power x come out and d replaced by d plus 1, then you get this, though then d square minus s square, so twice d plus 1. Now rationalize it and do this. So same procedure, just if you like understood for one time, then you can do every problem here, I think so. You would not face any problem, right? Okay, so here it is same, it is also same. Okay, yeah, it is also same, e to the power minus twice x sine x. So these are the lengthy problems. Okay, yeah, here is three function x e to the power x sine x. Okay, so what you do that e to the power x and x sine x is a function of x, right? So e to the power x come out and d is replaced by d plus 1. So basically 1 by d square x sine x, this means 2 times integration. So do 1 time integration, whatever you get again you integrate. Okay, so you get the solution. So the required solution is y is this. Okay, fine, this is a good example. Again there is another example, e to the power twice x and x square sine twice x. Okay, do the same manner here, 2 times integration, do 1 times integration. So you can you can use the ub formula also that I taught you, right? Okay, so same formula, just the lengthy calculation, nothing else. Okay, so up to this is from our test 2 assignment. Okay, and also we have covered the linear differential equation of in order 2. Okay, So in your this you just do this exercise 5F for your test 2, right? So thank you all. If you have any problem, then definitely you just let me know. Okay, or if you are unable to understood anything. Okay, thank you all.